Alright guys, now check out Masicka Moments official music video feat Stefflon Dan, my favorite UK female artist.
When we cuss, I'ma break up and we fuck, I will make up. Ain't nobody no fed up like we. First as we wake up, you just love your makeup. Ain't nobody me not trust like she.
Ooh,
Mount a space where you take up, now my brain in a safe. So me have to tell yourself I cut my beat. This rough like sea.
yo, worth it done.
But me keep on missing your body love when you're licking the lily. Me dolly, please do not fuck from me. So touch it off your body, pussy, you grip on me, touching your love it when me put it down for your knee. You know how you make my happy. This love I got can't swing. You know what the fuck
Oh
you
my
be.
god.
Oh, man.
Dude, Stefflon Dan looks so good, bro. Seriously.
Tell me you love it, me say you are the right squeeze. She beg me, she cry, please.
Dude, why the hell are you up there, bro? Ladies down there, dude.
15 put her for 9 years. And we cuss and we break up and we fuck and we make up and nobody no fed
Yet
up
like me.
This rough
Dandy.
orange life. But me keep on missing your body love when you're licking the lily. Me dolly, please do not fuck from me. So touch it from your body, pussy, you grip on.
Oh, this isn't fair, bro. This isn't fair, bro. Dude. Oh my god, dude.
Nobody no fed up like we.
Dude, Stefflon Dan, bro, looking.
Orange life. But me keep on missing your body love when you're licking the lily. Me dolly, please do not fuck from me. So touch it from your body, pussy, you grip on me, touching your love it when me put it down for your knee. You know how you make my happy. This love I got can't.
Dude, that long ass fingernail. You know what? I was just gonna say, I have never. Well, I don't know. Well, nah. No, I'm not gonna say anything.
Moments like these. Don't be shy, baby. Tell me what you want from me. What the fuck you pray?
Mm. Man, I love her freaking voice, bro. Seriously, love her voice, man. She can actually switch up her voice a lot. I think there are a few artists can actually do that. A couple like Shentia, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, and a few female artists I see can actually do that. Different voices.
Body wet up and it calling. Drink, we a drink till the morning. Hood ready now, you don't need charging. Baby, me think say me falling. You love when me touch up your body and when me rap on your jacket, me daddy promise say you never gon' leave. You want me climb me your body and when we fuck we so happy, we are the best, nobody can stand we. You know how you make me happy, this love I gon' cost me. What the fuck you pre? Baby, tell me moments like this. When we cuss and we break up and we fuck and we make up, ain't nobody no fed
Not
up
like me.
First as we wake up, you just love your makeup. Ain't nobody me not trust like she. Mount a space where you take up, now my brain in a safe. So me have to tell yourself I
Not
cut my
like me.
beat. This rough like sea. Orange life. But me keep on missing your body love when you're licking the lily. Me dolly, please do not
That's
fuck
I
from me.
see.
So touch it from your body, pussy, you grip on me, touching your love it when me put it down
That's
for
I
your
see.
knee. You know how you make my happy. This love I got can't swing. You know what the fuck you breathe. Oh, inside.
This song was actually freaking good, bro. Not gonna lie. N- Do not this. Dude, there's nobody there, bro. What the hell? This song was very good, my man. Honest to God, I don't know, man. I think Stefflon is probably my favorite female artist, bro. I said she's my favorite UK artist, female UK artist, but I'm gonna be honest, man. I think she's my favorite female artist overall.